Hello, welcome to the Maths Academy. We have to solve very interesting question, that is x plus y is equal to 4 and xy is equal to 6. We have to find the value of x and y. So, solution. For example, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So, from equation 1, x plus y is equal to 4. X plus y is equal to 4 and y is equal to 4 minus x. This is equation 3. From equation 1 we obtain the value of y, that is 4 minus x, and this is equation 3. Now we have to write the equation 2, that is x y is equal to 6. We have to put the value of y in place of y, so this will become x bracket 4 minus x bracket is equal to 6. Here we put 4 minus x in place of y in the equation 2, so this will become x bracket 4 minus x bracket is equal to 6. So x multiply 4, this will become 4x. X multiply minus x, this will become minus x square is equal to 6. We can write this as a minus x square plus 4x is equal to 6. Minus x square plus 4x, we move 6 to the left side, this will become minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we have to multiply both sides by minus 1. So this will become minus multiply minus, this will become plus x square, plus multiply minus, this will become minus 4x, minus multiply minus 1, this will become plus 6 is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this by using quadratic equation. Now we know that a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 6. We know that x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now we have to put the values of x is equal to minus b is equal to minus 4, so minus into minus 4 plus minus square root of b is equal to minus 4, so minus 4 square minus 4 a is 1 and c is equal to 6, or 2 into multiply 1. X is equal to minus multiply minus, this will become plus 4 plus minus square root of 4 multiply minus 4 multiply minus 4, this will become plus 16 minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 6, this will become 24, or 2. X is equal to 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 24, this will become minus 8 over 2. X is equal to 4 plus minus square root of 4 multiply 2 multiply minus 1 over 2. Minus 8 can be written as 4 multiply 2 multiply minus 1. So x is equal to 4 plus minus square root of 4 times square root of 2 multiply square root of minus 1 over 2. X is equal to 4 plus minus square root of 4, this will become equal to 2 multiply square root of 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 square root is equal to I over 2. X is equal to 4 over 2 plus minus 2 square root of 2I over 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, to cancel with 2. So this will become x is equal to 2 plus minus square root of 2I. So this is a complex number. Here we know that x is equal to 2 plus square root of 2I, and x is equal to 2 minus square root of 2I. Now from equation 3 we know that y is equal to 4 minus x. So here y is equal to 4 minus 2 plus square root of 2I. Y is equal to 4 minus multiply plus 2, this will become minus 2, minus multiply plus this will become minus square root of 2I, and y is equal to 4 minus 2, this is equal to 2 minus square root of 2I. So here x is the value of x is 2 plus square root of 2I, and the value of y is 2 minus square root of 2I. So our final answer here is x is equal to 2 plus square root of 2I, and y is equal to 2 minus square root of 2I. Now we have to solve this side. We know that y is equal to 4 minus x. Y is equal to 4 minus x is equal to, here the x is 2 minus square root of 2I. Y is equal to 4 minus 2 minus multiply minus, this is equal to plus square root of 2I, and y is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 plus square root of 2I. So here x is 2 minus square root of 2I, and y is equal to 2 plus square root of 2I. So our final answer is x is 2 minus square root of 2I, and y is equal to 2 plus square root of 2I. So these are our answers, the value of x and y, and we have solved the question. Now we have to check our answer. We have to check so we know that the question is x plus 4 is equal to 4 and xy is equal to 6. First of all we have to check x plus y is equal to 4. Here we know that x is equal to 2 plus square root of 2I, and y is equal to 2 minus square root of 2I is equal to 4. Here it plus square root of plus 2I cancel with minus square root of 2I, and here we get 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 4 is equal to 4. So the one step is verified, so our answer is correct. Now we have to verify the equation 2, that is xy is equal to 6. So x is 2 plus square root of 2I into 2 minus square root of 2I is equal to 6. 2 square minus square root of 2I square is equal to 6. 2 multiply 2, this will become 4 minus square root of 2 square multiply I square. 4 minus, this can, to cancel with the square root, this will become 2 multiply I square is equal to minus 1. So 4 minus into 2 multiply minus 1, this will become minus 2 is equal to 6. So 4 minus multiply minus, this will become plus 2 is equal to 6, and 6 is equal to 6. So our answer is verified. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel.